Hey chemists, welcome back to my channel, where we turn chemistry into pure entertainment. Today, we're talking about the element that gives balloons their bounce, rockets their chill, and scientists their absolute awe. Yes, it's helium. Stick around, because, by the end of this video, you'll know everything about helium, from where it comes from to why it's cooler than your freezer. Let's start at the beginning. Did you know helium was first discovered not on Earth, but in the Sun? In 1868, a French astronomer named Pierre Janssen spotted a strange yellow line in the Sun's spectrum during the solar eclipse. English astronomer Norman Lockyer later identified this as a new element and named it helium, after Helios, the Greek god of the sun. Talk about a celestial debut. But how did we find it here on Earth? Fast forward to 1895, when Sir William Ramsay isolated helium from a cleveite mineral. Turns out that helium is also a product of radioactive decay right here on our planet. Nature's got all the tricks. Now let's dive into what makes helium so special. It's the second element on the periodic table, with an atomic number of 2. It's a colorless, odorless gas that's lighter than air, which is why it makes balloons float. But that's not all. Helium has some mind-blowing physical properties. 1. It's got the lowest boiling point of any element. -268.93 degrees Celsius. That's colder than outer space. 2. It's so light, it's nearly impossible to keep on Earth. Most helium escapes our atmosphere into space. 3. And when helium turns into a liquid, it can become a superfluid, flowing without any resistance. Imagine spilling water that never stops moving. Wild. But wait, there's more. Helium is part of the noble gases, and for good reason. It's got a full outer electron shell, which means it doesn't react with anything. Helium doesn't burn, doesn't bond, and doesn't corrode. It's like that friend who's chill in every situation. So what's helium used for besides making party balloons? Oh, let me count the ways. 1. Helium is critical in cryogenics. Liquid helium is used to cool superconducting magnets in MRI machines. Without helium, modern medicine wouldn't be the same. 2. It's a lifting gas for airships and weather balloons. Unlike hydrogen, helium is non-flammable, so it's much safer. 3. Divers use a helium-oxygen mix to breathe at extreme depths, preventing nitrogen narcosis. 4. It's also used in welding, fiber optics, and even rockets. Helium purges fuel tanks and pressurizes liquid fuel systems in spacecraft. NASA loves it. Helium's so versatile, it's practically the Swiss Army knife of elements. If you're waiting for a chemistry explosion, you'll be disappointed. Helium is completely inert. It doesn't form compounds or react with other elements under normal conditions. Even under extreme pressure, helium stays in its lane. It's like the Zen master of the periodic table. Let's talk isotopes. Helium has 2 stable isotopes, helium-3 and helium-4. Helium-4 makes up over 99.999% of all helium on Earth and is produced during radioactive decay. Helium-3 is super rare but has potential in nuclear fusion research. Imagine a clean energy future powered by helium-3. Now that's futuristic. So how do we get helium? Most of the helium on Earth comes from natural gas deposits. Fractional distillation separates helium from the gas. The largest reserves are found in the US, Qatar, and Algeria. Helium is running low, so scientists are working on ways to conserve and recycle it. See? Helium makes everything more fun. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new about helium today, smash that like button and share this video with your science-loving friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of chemistry, and stay curious.